Good day, students. Our topic for today is kinematics. So, what is kinematics? Kinematics is the study of motion of points, objects, and groups of objects without considering the causes of motion. Meron tayong mga terms dito na aralin. So, number one, position. So, a particle position X is the location of the particle with respect to the chosen reference points that we can consider to be the origin of the coordinate system. For example, dito, makikita nyo sa figure, meron tayo dito A. So, yung position niya after a certain time, that is yung D, and C, D, and so on. So, makikita nyo naman dito sa sa graph naman natin. So, yung position niya, ito, yung vertical, yung vertical component, that is yung yung 0, then 20, 40. Then yung starting point niya, so nag-start siya sa position A, that is 30. So ipa-plot mo siya dito. Then nag-move siya forward until ma-reach niya yung position B, that is 50. Then umatras siya, kaya bababa siya dito. So yung position niya dito, kung position na pupusin natin, then nag-up siya dito sa hanggang 50, then atras siya hanggang negative 60. So that is your position. Next term naman, displacement is defined that this is the change in position of particle of the body. So ito is change in position, meaning yung final position minus yung initial position. So that is yung notation natin, delta x is equal to xf, that is yung final final position, then minus yung initial position. Yan. So dito yung displacement within A and B, that is 50 minus 30. So yung displacement dito is 20 meters. So pag tinanong naman what is displacement from point F to point D. So yung yung point F to point D. So negative 60. Negative 60 minus minus 0. So, therefore, yung displacement sa kanya is negative 60. Kasi nga, ang point of natin ng 0 is at point B. Meaning, yung displacement niya is paatras. Then, meron tayo dito tinatawag na average speed. So, pag tinawag na average speed, a scalar quantity defined as the total distance traveled divided by the total time interval required to travel that distance. So, yung yung average speed, so makikita nyo dito, average speed is yung distance travel divided by time. So, yung distance travel, that is yung displacement niya, divided by yung time. So, dito, kung makikita nyo, yung yung dito sa graph, yung average speed, that is yung blue line. Yung displacement niya from point A to point B, that is your delta x, that is 50 minus 30, 20 divided by time. So na-travel niya within 10 seconds yung yung from point A to point B. Yung line na to, that is yung slope from point A to point B, that is your average speed. Average speed. So, meron tayo dito naman, instantaneous speed and velocity. So, ano ba pinagkaiba ng instantaneous speed at velocity? So, kung makikita nyo dito sa graph, so, titingnan kayo dito sa graph, yung instantaneous speed, ito yung blue line na yan. So, for example, sinet natin yung yung instantaneous sa Kung sinabing instantaneous, yung kung saan point mo gustong hanapin yung speed or velocity ng object. So let's say dito sa itong first blue natin dito, first blue. So yung instantaneous speed is different from this blue line dito. So pagka sinabi natin instantaneous speed, that is the magnitude of the instantaneous velocity. So, magnitude lang siya. So, dito sa point B, yan yung blue line na yan. Yan. Kung makikita nyo doon sa pag sinabi instantaneous, kukunin mo lang yung slope ng at a certain point. Dito, kukunin mo lang yung slope dyan. Rise over run. Yung rise, that is yung distance divided by time. Then, yung instantaneous velocity naman. Ito. Example dito yung green line naman yan. Makikita nyo? Yung instantaneous velocity, yan yung tangent line nung slope. So, kapag dito sa blue naman tong blue. Ito, tong unang blue na line. Pagka instantaneous speed, itong slope nito. Yan. Pero pagka instantaneous velocity, tangent dun sa point na yan, sa point B. So, magdodrawing ka ng tangent line dyan sa that is your instantaneous velocity. So, can be solved using derivative. So, limit at x, delta x divided by delta t at t approaches 0. So, kasi approaches 0 siya kasi nga instantaneous, beginning, parang naka-freeze sa time. Kaya nag-approach siya sa 0. Instantaneous. So, kasi sobrang liit nung difference in time. Then, meron tayo dito. So, yan. Example, a particle moves along x-axis. Its position varies with the time according to expression. Yan. Ito yung direction niya. Position, yan, in terms of t, where x is in meters and t is in seconds. So, determine the displacement of the particle in time interval t equals 0 and 2t equals 1. So, another from 1 to 3 seconds. So, kung i-graph nyo itong x versus t niya. So, kung i-graph nyo yung position niya, atras mo na siya, then abante. Then, pagkasasamaan nyo na ng time siya, ito na yung maging figure niya. So, makikita nyo dito, yung displacement niya, ito. Una, negative 2. Then, yung pangalawa, meron tayong displacement dito from displacement 6, final kasi ito sa 3 seconds na siya. Ito, 3 seconds. 6 minus displacement niya na negative 2. So, meron tayo dito. At t equals 0, x equals yung position niya 0. Ito. At t equals 1, yung position niya dapat nasa 1 siya. Solve natin. Ay, negative 2. Sa 1 yung t, negative 2 yung position niya. So, kapag 0, 0. Pagka time equals 1, ito na. Yung position niya, negative 2. Then, at time equals 3, so yung position niya, so substitute nyo lang sila sa equation, yung location niya is at 6 meters. Ayan. Then, dahil displacement ang hinahanap natin, so from t1 to 0, ay from t0 equal to t equals 1, so displacement formula, yan, delta x is equal to xf minus xi, so the displacement from t1 to t2, so x1, negative 2 minus yung displacement niya kasi nga x1, yung final niya, then x0 is 0. So therefore yung displacement niya is negative 2. So displacement from time 2 to time 3. Yung time 2 natin is, yung time 2 is equal to negative 2. Time 3 natin is, position niya is 6. So, 6 minus yung final position minus initial. Yung initial niya is negative 2. Therefore, yung displacement niya is 8 meters. Then, meron tayo dito, calculate the average velocity during this 2-time interval. So, meron tayo dito, pagka average speed, kailangan yung blue line lang siya. Ito. slope lang siya, average speed. Then, average speed. Ay, average velocity. Formula natin, average velocity, displacement divided by time. So, yung average velocity from time 1 to time 2. So, yung displacement niya kanina, negative 2 divided by difference in time. That is 1 seconds minus 0. Yan. So, average velocity niya, ito, negative 2 meter per second. So, kung makikita nyo dito, yung blue line na yan, naka-define siya as negative 2 meter per second. That is your average velocity. Then, average velocity, dito, sa ayan, yung blue line naman, dapat positive 4. So, ano nangyari yun? Displacement. That is yung yung 8 dito. 6 final displacement minus initial displacement. Ito, negative 2. Divided by difference in time. That is 3 minus 1. Ayan, average, that is positive 4 meter per second. Then, find the instantaneous velocity of the particle at 2.5 seconds. So, instantaneous velocity. So, meron tayo dito at point C. So, 2.5 meters. Ay, 2.5 seconds. Yung hinahanap nating velocity. Kung makikita nyo dito, pag instantaneous velocity, yung velocity niya lang at that point. So, instantaneous velocity formula. So, Vx is equal to limit ng displacement divided by time at time approaches 0. So, equal to dx over dt. So, meron tayo equation dito, x is equal to negative 40 plus 2t. So, yung yung instantaneous velocity equal to sa first derivative ng dx over dt. So, ito mag-derivative lang tayo dito sa sa equation na to, the first derivative. So, first derivative niya, that is negative 4. Ito, bababa doon, maging 4 minus 1. So, change formula. Dx over dt is equal to negative 4 plus 40. So, itong dx over dt magiging v kasi equal naman sila. So, at time equals 2.5 seconds, therefore, Vx is equal to 4 minus negative 4 plus 4 times yung time niya, 2.5. So, yung instantaneous velocity niya, at that point, yung speed niya, yung magnitude ng speed niya is 6.0 meter per second. So, at this point, yung bilis niya is 6 meters per second. So, yan, dito, nag-iiba yan ng speed. So, dito, umatras siya. So, pagdating dito sa point B, yung slope niya is horizontal, meaning 0. So, pahinto ka, umatras ka, huminto, di ba? Then, under ka ulit, kaya nag-i-increase yung speed mo. Kaya yung slope niya pataas ang pataas. So, meron tayo dito ang average acceleration. So, is defined as change in velocity. Change in velocity naman to, divided by time interval. So, ito, change in velocity. So, dito, meron tayong delta V, delta T. So, yung yung formula na yan, Vf minus final velocity minus initial velocity divided by final time minus initial time. So, kapag instantaneous acceleration naman, so, ganun ulit, Ax is equal to, so, the limit of, ito pa rin, so, maging dv over dt na siya. So, kung makikita nyo kanina dito, yung acceleration, so, ito, sa sa table natin dito, ito yung time na, na from 0 to 3 seconds. Ayan. Then yung yung velocity, kung makikita nyo siya dito sa at time equals 0. So yung yung initial velocity niya is 4. So hanggang hanggang kasi umatras siya, kaya pababa yung nagde-decelerate siya. Then after nung point B, sa point B, nag-i-increase yung velocity niya. Kung kanina nasolve natin is 6 dito. So dito, from 0, yung speed niya, tumaas ng 2, 4, 6, 8. Yung dumadagdag dyan sa kada speed niya, sa from 0, dumagdag ng 2. That is yung ano, yung acceleration. Then yung from 2, dumagdag ng ano, ng 4. So yung, yan, nag-accelerate siya ng 2 meter per second. So, kung makikita niyo dito sa graph na to, yung graph ko siya. So, from ano, time 0, ito, time 0, then hanggang 3 seconds. So, ito ay constant deceleration and constant acceleration dito. So, meaning yung ano, yung pagdagdag ng ano, ng speed niya is equal to 2 meter per second. Ayan, kung makikita nyo dito, constant yung ano, yung so that is average acceleration. So kapag instantaneous, then kukunin nyo yung derivative ng delta V over delta T. So example tayo dito. So ito. Ganun ulit sa speed naman, kung makikita nyo ang equation ng ano ng acceleration naka Vx kanina do sa sa velocity naman ang ang nakalagay dito is nakalagay sa graph is yung position niya x, diba? Pagdating dito naman ang naka-graph dito is yung Vx naman katulad dito sa sa formula. Ito velocity yung naka-graph dito over time. Kapag pagka velocity, yung position naman nakalagay dito naman is time. So ito, velocity dito, then dito is yung time. So the velocity of a particle moving along x-axis varies accordingly to expression. Vx is equal to 4t minus 5t squared. Yan. So find the average acceleration in time. T is equal to 0 to t equals 2 seconds. Ito yung yung from A to B. Pag sinabing average acceleration, that is yung slope niya nung velocity. Slope ng velocity. Yan. Yung slope niyan. So meaning, kunin mo lang yung yung difference in difference in velocity divided by difference in yung time. So, yan. At t equals 0. So, yung velocity niya, substitute mo lang yung t equals 0. Velocity is 40 meter per second. Then, at t equals 2. Yan. P2 is equal to 40 times yung 2 seconds na time. That is 20 meter per second. So, kung mapapansin nyo, from 40 to 20, bumaba. Meaning, nag-decelerate yung particle. So, tinatanong naman natin is average acceleration. Pumila natin dyan. That is, and average acceleration equal to final velocity minus initial velocity. That is 20 minus 40. Kasi nga, 20 yung final. Initial is 40. Then, yung time natin is from 2 seconds to 1 second. That is negative 10 meter per second squared. Meaning, nag-decelerate kapag negative. Pagka positive, nag-accelerate. Pag negative, nag-decelerate. So, dito, meron tayo lahat ng the velocity, same pa rin. So, determine the acceleration at 2 seconds. So, hinanap din dito yung instantaneous acceleration kasi at the moment na acceleration. So, at time equals so instantaneous acceleration. So, meron tayo formula Ax is equal to the limit of delta V over delta T. Or, meron sabihin na dV over dt. So, meron tayong formula Vx is equal to 40 minus 5t square. So, kung natin yung first derivative niyan. So, meron tayo dito dV over dx. So, ito constant 0. Then, chain rule. Negative 10t. So, 2 minus 1. Kaya tinalang siya dito. So, substitute nyo at time equals 2 seconds. So, yung time niya 2 seconds. Ax is equal to negative t. Negative 10 times 2. That is negative 20 meter per second. So, at this point, yung yung acceleration niya is negative 20 per second. Yung pag-decelerate niya. Then, relationship between position, velocity, and acceleration. So, kung makikita nyo dito sa position, let's say we have formula dito. Ito yung formula ng ng given formula ng position. For example, yung movement niya with respect to time. Ayan. So, para mahanap natin yung yung velocity, kailangan kunin natin yung first derivative nung equation nito with respect to time. So, that is dx over dt is equal to vx. Ayan. Pag nakuha natin siya, pag na-derivative natin, syempre, ang equivalent na dx na. So, ito na siya. Naging ganito na. dx over dt is equal to 15 t square plus 8. Kasi nga ito, 5 times 3, 15 minus 1 plus 2 dito. Ito, 4 times 2 equals 8 minus 1 plus t na lang. Then ito, 1 times 3 equals 3 minus 1 dito, 0. Kaya naging 3 na lang to. And constant, derivative ng constant is 0. This is your velocity na nga, equation ng velocity. Ngayon yung velocity, kapag nag-derivative ka, this is your first derivative. Then kapag nag-derivative ka, so derivative ng ng velocity is equal to dv over dt. So yung dx over dt is equal to vx. So kapag derivative ng vx, that is second derivative na nung position. That is equal to ax na siya, or yung acceleration. So acceleration, so second derivative nito, so ito derivative nyo, 15 times 2, 30, 2 minus 1 equals t. Ito, 1 times 8 was 8, 1 minus 1 equals 0. Kaya 8 na lang siya. Then ito, derivative ng constant is 0. So ito na lang yung acceleration. So this is your second derivative nung position. So yung first derivative, that is your velocity, then yung second derivative nung position is your acceleration. So yun yung relationship between position, velocity, and acceleration. So that's all.